Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmelim bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe.
East Timor, 10 novices make first profession. 25 novices start novitiate while 40 young people enter pre-novitiate. Brother Jolino Vieira reports from Fatumaca in East Timor.
On the 8th December, in the National Shrine of Mary Help of Christians in East Timor, 10 Salesian novices made their first profession in the hands of Father Apolinario Maria Ornay Neto, Superior of the Salesian Vice Province of East Timor. Thousands of young people and the family of these neo-professed participated in the Holy Eucharist presided over by the provincial with some 30 Salesians concelebrating. Again, on the 8th December, 25 novices started a 3-day entrance retreat to the novitiate. East Timor Vice Province has as many as 40 young men in the pre-novitiate batch this year.
Salesian Family Day calls for sustaining charismatic identity and fidelity to Don Bosco. Father Joachim Fernandez reports from Mumbai.
As many as 150 Salesian family members celebrated Salesian Family Day on 12 December 2021 at Don Bosco House, Barovali in Mumbai. Father Daigo Nunes, STB, delegate for the Salesian family, Mumbai Province, and convener of the program, read the message of Mumbai Provincial, Father Xavier Silveira from Rome. Provincial Delegate Salesian Sister Catherine Fernandez conducted a session on spirituality of Saint Francis de Sales, stressing his gentle approach of everyday holiness. Vice Provincial Father Ashley Miranda reflected on Strena 2021 with the theme, Do All Through Love, Nothing Through Constraint, and spelled out its implication for the present times. Provincial Delegate of the Past Peoples, Father Crispino de Souza, conducted session focusing on the acronym for cardinal directions, NSENW, which helped to discuss on need assessment, suggestions, excitement, and worries about the Salesian family. Mr. Ketan Gala, Adult Regional Councillor, Asia Oceania, and the Executive Committee member of the World Confederation of the Past Peoples of Don Bosco, pledged his support.
Don Bosco Publishing House, Hyderabad presents Word With Us, Bible Diary 2022. Available in both popular and royal editions. Besides scripture readings for daily Eucharist, the diary contains liturgical information, insights from Saint of the Day, short and relevant reflections, prayers of the faithful for Sundays and solemnities. Ideal Christmas gift for family and friends. Order from sales@dbpublishinghouse.com or WhatsApp country code 91, mobile number 9390257614. Goa lad wins jury award Don Bosco Global Youth Film Festival. Father Francis Xavier reports from Panaji.
Zeno Fernandez, hailing from San Jose de Ariel, Goa, won the Jury's Choice Award for the music video entitled Listen at the Don Bosco Global Youth Film Festival that concluded on 19th November 2021 in Valdoco, Turin, Italy. A member of Don Bosco Youth Services of the province of Panjim, Zeno Fernandez received the award at a virtual prize ceremony accompanied by Father Jason Coelho, Director of Don Bosco Youth Services, Goa. Zeno conceptualized his first video during the height of the pandemic lockdown when everyone was in a state of fear. The entire video was shot on a mobile phone.
Online Academy honors Immaculate Virgin. Brother Jess Lumibao reports from Laguna, the Philippines.
The Past Novitiate community of Laguna staged a 3-day program to honor Blessed Mother's Immaculate Conception. The Academy's main goal was to prepare everyone for the solemnity by highlighting the various phases of Mary in our lives. The program also showed that despite the pandemic, Mary will always be our sure guide, help, and hope. The Academy consisted of a trilogy of 3 short video presentations, each lasting less than 10 minutes. From 6th to 8th of December 2021, the episodes were premiered on the official Don Bosco Apostol Facebook page, as well as cross-posted on other social media platforms. The Academy entitled Sandalan, Nandito Lang Ako, Brace, I Am Just Here, was divided into 3 parts: Pag-ibig, Love, Pagtulong, Aid, and Pagtulad, Imitate. Each of the post-novitiate brothers personally contacted their friends by sending the trilogy to them via chat app, Instagram, Gmail, and other means. They also encourage youth for responses and reflections after seeing the trilogy.
You are listening to Salesian News on Radio Salesian from Salesian College, Sonada, Darjeeling. Church Art Kolkata has a series of popular murals illustrating life and activities of Jesus Christ and saints. The 36 inches by 40 inches murals feature major life events and miracles of Jesus like healing paralytic, raising the dead, and curing the blind. Other popular murals include Jesus blessing children and mothers bringing children to Jesus. Larger versions of these murals are also available. These murals are ideal for churches, educational institutions, hospitals, and social work establishments. For affordable prices and hassle-free professional service, contact Don Bosco Past Pupil by email churchart.ganguly@gmail.com and WhatsApp/Telegram country code 919831020945. Salesian College Siliguri students bag 2nd position in Radio Salesian's Jingle Bells Season 6 Popular Christmas Carol Competition. Banhulang Lingdo reports from Siliguri, North Bengal.
A group of 10 Salesian College Siliguri students, including 6 Salesian Brothers students, prepared a new Christmas carol with original lyrics and tune and videographed it. The competition winners were announced on 13th December 2021 on Radio Salesian Facebook page. Besides cash prize, they will soon receive a trophy and a certificate. Here is the original composition for your listening pleasure.
So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.